This is a 12-pack of Colgate Premier Extra Clean toothbrushes. And look how nice these are. It comes with this string, so if you want, you can hang it up in your linen closet, and all you have to do is tear it off from the bottom. And you also get a variety of different colors to choose from. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. Here's a close-up of the toothbrushes, and please note it looks like they are from a different country, but that makes no difference for me, and that's why I purchased it. Still is gonna work the same. This is what the back side looks like. All you have to do is tear it. It's ready to use. As you can see, it's very simple to tear. It's also very easy to open. All you have to do is squeeze here in the middle, and where this perforation is, you just tear. And then you pull it out. Simple as that. Now, you're gonna notice that it has an ergonomic handle right here. And look at these bristles. So nice. And as you can see, some of them are raised, and it also has a slight angle to it, so it can reach your back molars. And you can also clean your cheek and tongue with it back right here. And has a nice ergonomic handle, really nice top quality. Also has a hole here if you want to hang it up after use. I really like this multi-pack because you're supposed to change your toothbrush every 3 months. And I just love Colgate, trusted name in dental hygiene. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.